Good morning, Mr. Rian. Thank you for coming today in interview where insert in your profile, expand your internship experience at LG Electronic in the Hafi Asset.
Yes.
About your role there.
Good afternoon. Thank you for this opportunity. During my internship at LG, I was part of the HP Asia division and was involved in creating technical drawings for air conditioning system, charger system, piping and equipment layouts. I also assisted in preparing as build drawing after installation were complete.
Which drafting software did you use at LG? Are you comfortable with AutoCAD or Revit?
I primarily use AutoCAD for mass drafting text, especially for drafting and filing detail. I also had some exposure to Revit for collaborative project with engineer, and touch my experience that is more basic. If needed, I'm willing to deepen my skill in Revit.
How is your experience working in a team at LG? Were there any challenge you faced during project?
At LG, I worked under the supervision of a senior drafter and frequently coordinated with engineer and the field team. The biggest challenge was when there were sudden design changes due to on-site conditions, and I learned to adapt quickly and ensure the revised drawing were complete on time.
Did you ever prepare soft drawing for ducting or piping fabrication? Could you walk us through the process?
Yes, I have prepared soft drawing for ducting in a central air conditioning installation project. The process started with receiving markups for engineer, then detailing dimension, material, and connection according to LG standard. After that, the drawing were reviewed by a senior before being sent to the workshop.
What interests you about working at our company after experience at LG?
I want to further develop my HP Asia drafting skill in a more diverse environment. My time at LG gave me a strong foundation, and I am particularly interested in the large-scale project that involve complete system design, not just a C component.
If an engineering requests urgent drawing revision, while you're working on another project, how will you prioritize your tasks?
I will confirm the deadline and communicate with my supervisor if there's scheduling conflict. At LG, I use a priority system based on urgency and project. In fact, for example, revision for ongoing installation will take precedence.
Thank you, Mr. Ridwan. We'll contact you with him with which that. Do you have any question for us?
Yes. What will you say is the biggest challenge for an HPLC drafter in this company?
You will be working on high complexity project like commercial building requiring close coordination with architect and mechanical team. But with your LG experience, we believe you can adapt well.
Okay, Mr. Bintang, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Ridwan, thank you.
Thank you for attending.
Yes.
Okay, good morning, Mr. Bintang.
Good morning, Mr. Ridwan.
Thank you for joining us today. We noticed you recently graduated with a degree in refrigeration and air conditioning technology and completed an internship at PT Trend. Could you share more about your hands-on experience with chiller during your internship?
Good morning. During my 6-month internship at PT Trend, I worked directly with the chiller maintenance team. My responsibility include assisting in preventive maintenance of centrifugal and screw chiller, performing refrigerant system check, cleaning heat exchanger, and supporting troubleshooting of refrigerant cycle issue under the guidance of senior technician.
Okay, especially what refrigerant system component did you work with most frequently?
I had practical experience with compressor, oil level and pressure monitoring, condenser, tube cleaning and water treatment check, expansion valves, superheat measurements through refrigerant circuits, leak detection and charging procedure. I become proficient in using trend diagnostic tool for refrigerant system analysis.
Okay, how did your education in refrigeration and air conditioning prepare you for this maintenance role?
My coursework provide strong fundamental in refrigeration cycle, thermodynamic, psychometry chart application, refrigerant handling best practice, HVAC system control. The internship at Trend allow me to apply this work to the real world chiller maintenance scenario.
Okay, next, what a storage, how you will diagnose low cooling capacity in a chiller?
I work systematic check refrigerant chart and possible leaks, condenser water flow, rate and temperature, evaporator approach temperature,
okay,
compressor draw and oil levels, expansion valve operation. Based on my training, abnormal approach temperature often indicate fault tubes or refrigerant issues.
Okay. What safety precautions are critical when working with large refrigeration system?
Precaution I always follow: proper PPE, including glove and eye protection, ensuring adequate ventilation when handling refrigeration, take out procedure for electrical component, never missing refrigerant, and proper recovery practice, checking for oil residues that might indicate leaks.
Okay. What motivation you to specialize in chiller maintenance rather than other HVAC areas?
I'm particularly interested in the complexity of industrial refrigerant system at Trend. I enjoy the challenge of optimized chiller performance and the satisfaction or restoring system to peak efficiency. I want to develop experience in this specialist field.
Okay. If you encounter R134A leaking from a service valve, what will be your intimate action?
I would immediately evacuate non-essential personnel.
Okay.
Ventilate the area. Don't appropriate PPA. Attempt to close the valve if safe to do so. Use leak detection tools to assess the situation. Follow proper refrigerant recovery procedure for EPA guidelines.
We will finish our education by next Monday. Do you have any question for us?
Yes, could you tell me about opportunities for EPA certification training here?
We sponsor EPA 608 certification for our technician, and your refrigeration education and train experience make you a strong candidate for all accelerated certification program. Yes, finish your interview. Thank you, Mr. Bintang.
Thank you, Mr. Rizwan.
Okay.